Hi again. So this is the video containing the solution for number 2a because there is 2b. So let's start with the 2a. The problem says a survey shows that 1,000 people will buy a certain type of sandwich in a period of 1 week if the cost is 60 pesos. Suppose that for every 1 peso added to the price, 5 fewer will buy the sandwich. The question is, what price will give the greatest revenue for the week? Okay, so let's take each statement one at a time. So a survey, so it says a survey shows 1,000 people will buy a certain type of sandwich in a period of 1 week if the cost is 60. So if there will be 1,000, exactly 1,000 people, 1,000 people that will buy a sandwich and the cost is 60, then your revenue will be, so 60 times 1,000 is 60,000 pesos. The revenue is 60,000. But that is not the case because it says, suppose that for every 1 peso added to the price, 5 fewer will buy the sandwich. So the situation is, every time I add 1 peso to the price, that is 60, 5 fewer will buy the sandwich means if I add a peso for every peso you add, so you cannot just say 1 and 2. So 1 peso times how many times you will add it, so 1x or simply x. Okay, now what will happen to the number of people is that 5 fewer will buy the sandwich. So from 1,000, then there will be 5 fewer for every peso that you add to the price. Okay, so the revenue will have this function, okay, this expression rather. So we can name this as revenue r function of x. Okay, so again, this was derived from 5 fewer will buy the sandwich, so minus 5x for every peso added to the price, 60 plus 1x or simply x. So let's just simplify this. So 1,000 minus 5x and then 60 plus x. Okay, so that's the revenue. Now if we will simplify this will become 60,000, that's 60,000. Then this 2 will become minus 5x squared. Then this will become 60 times negative 5 is negative 300x. And then the last one is 1,000 times x. This is equal to 1,000 x. Okay, so this one, and then we can simplify this into 60,000 minus 5x squared plus 700x. Okay, and then you can arrange it, so negative 5x squared and then plus 700x plus 60,000. Okay, so I hope it's still clear up to this step. So this is your revenue of x. Since we already saw the solution to problem number 1, which whose function is a quadratic function, then we can use the same method since this is also a quadratic function. Actually, most of the problems here are applications of quadratic functions. So if we are looking for the price that will give the greatest revenue for the week, so we want to find the maximum we want to find the price that will give us a maximum revenue. So in order for us to give this maximum price, and we have to make this a maximum, we have to find the vertex of this function. Okay, and we know from number 1 that the vertex will have negative b over 2a as the value of x, and this will be the maximum revenue derived from whatever value you get for x. This will be the maximum r of x. Okay, so we simply apply the formula negative b over 2a. So our a here is negative 5, our b is equal to 700. So x equals negative b over 2a is equal to negative 700 divided by 2 times negative 5. So this is equal to negative 700 all over negative 10. That's 2 times 5, negative 10. And 700 divided by 10 is 70. Okay, so that means you are going to add 1 peso 70 times. So 70 times 1 peso is basically 70. So the price that will give the greatest revenue, remember this is the value of x that will give us the maximum revenue. So the price is simply when x is 70. So the price that we need is equal to 60 plus x, which is 60 plus 70 equals 130. So you need to sell the sandwich for 130 pesos in order for you to have the maximum revenue. Okay, so that's the solution for number 2a. For the next video, I will be showing you how to get the answer for 2b. So take note of our equations because this will be, or this equation, because this will be the same equation that we will be using for the next video. That's it.